not quite done with that bean head yet. I'll show you, we'll go down to the end. I'll show you how much there is left. So we got about from here all the way down there, and we've already done this much. It's just long rows from here. The weeds are a little heavier down here. Once you start going that way, it kind of gets a little thinner in places, which is a good thing. But there's just a lot of weeds to tackle through. But we'll get her done, get her all harvested, and then we can move on to that stuff right there. When it's ready. It's not quite ready yet. Almost, but not quite. So, yep. All right, just got a call. That wagon is full. So let's get this tractor started up and let's get those beans screened and in the bin. So yeah. Oh, it's hot in here. Woo! This is full load number 2. Soybeans in this wagon. There was another little wagon we dumped in earlier. I dumped in earlier. So we're getting there. With the old steering. Ah, there we go. There's the air conditioning. So, yeah. All right, I guess we'll try that. First things first, gotta start up the auger tractor. Dust and other crap going through there. Coming out the boot of that auger right there. Yeah, turn up a little higher. in there. All right, wagon's empty. All right, we're back between two cornfields. Now actually, so this is the main field road to this field. We switched to this side because we were moving this way with the soybeans. So we want to bring all the heavy loads of beans through this field driveway here. Man, isn't that a sharp looking wagon. Now I gotta say, I put on one of my last short videos, my YouTube shorts, I put my top 10 favorite tractors together, and this tractor was number 2. I don't know, I love this tractor. It handles smooth, it runs smooth, it's so powerful, it just sounds like a tractor. I mean, it just growls. It's a good tractor. I don't know why Deere quit making a tractor this good. I mean, at the time they made this, they were at the top of machinery manufacturing, but they've fallen pretty far since. So, you know. All right, guys. Next day, I'm waiting here with a grease gun. He's gonna come dump after the round he's on, and we're gonna grease the 10-hour bearings. This times 2, 10-hour bearings on the combine. There's 3. No, they're not all bearings, but there's 3 10-hour grease points on that combine, so we should be good. And then we're gonna keep going. We got a good start today. There's a chance we could finish this today, but depends on how well today goes. If not, we'll finish it tomorrow. But yeah, he got a full load of beans up there. Well, that's good. We need them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one, the last part of soybean harvest.